Let's show you the current update of the Lagos-Calabar coastal road all the way from the Victoria Island. You know, a lot of people have been saying that this road is a scam. This road, people are saying that this road will be abandoned. But I decided to come on site today to fly a drone and just show you if they have actually abandoned this project all the way from the Victoria Island axis, the Amodobele Way axis, where you have the Eco Atlantic. We will be flying the drone to just show you the updates. Kindly stay till the end of this video. My name is Dennis from landproperty.ng. What we do, we help Nigerians in diaspora to own property right here in Lagos, Nigeria. So if you are looking at owning a property in this Lagos-Calabar coastal road axis, the best person to talk to is us. The number on the screen is our number. Feel free to call us. Let's help you achieve that. Note, this coastal road will span all the way from Lagos to Calabar, and anybody that can see the big picture and position himself to own property in this Lagos-Calabar road axis, I can tell you that you are made for life. This is a lifetime opportunity. The road is still ongoing and construction is going on this site back to back. So if you're looking owning a property in this axis, feel free to call us. Let's make that happen for you. You know, we have different phases. We have the Victoria Island axis, we have the Kate axis, we have the Songotedo axis, we have the Aja axis, we have the ELEKO axis, we have the Bejuleke axis, the follow axis. Any of these axes that you feel like owning a property, just call us. We will always give you the best deal. Currently, we have property around the ELEKO axis, we have property along the Songotedo axis, we have property along the follow axis. They are all in the Lagos-Calabar coastal road. So I would recommend that you give us a call. Let's make this your dream of owning property along the Lagos-Calabar coastal road to come to pass. With what you've seen, you will agree with me that the Lagos-Calabar coastal road, the updates you are seeing here is simple. Job is still going on. This project is not yet abandoned. So give us a call. Let's make this happen for you. We have so many property we want you to own. Start positioning yourself now. Thank you for staying to this point. Please kindly share this video to your friends. Kindly subscribe to our channel so that you always get updates like this.